Look, at my age, you know I've been to a lot of doctors. Healthcare partners, they really care. They're concerned about your health. They're all the best. I am Roberta, and I am a healthcare partner. Visit hcpnv.com to hear my story.
News 46 is brought to you by Comfort Hospice Care, where we give our patients and their loved ones peace of mind, knowing we provide the highest quality of care 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. For more information, call 775-751-0349.
Tonight on News 46, traffic is diverted around a 4-vehicle accident.
Foot golf makes its way from Argentina to Pahrump.
And Southwest Medical Associates celebrates 2 years in the Valley. News 46 starts now.
You're watching KPVM News 46 with Rick Vale and Monique Mitchell. Local coverage from Deanna O'Donnell. News 46. Local coverage you can count on.
Good evening. It's Thursday, June 6, 2013. I'm Rick Vale.
And I'm Monique Mitchell for News 46.
One pickup truck appears to be the cause for the 4-vehicle accident that occurred this afternoon on Highway 160 in front of McDonald's.
Tonight's accident report is brought to you by Stovall & Associates. Don't expect insurance companies to have your best interest in mind. Stovall & Associates cares. Let us help you if you have been involved in an accident.
Well, this afternoon here at Highway 372 and 160, a 4-vehicle accident. We're going to speak to Nevada Highway Patrol Trooper Pat Walker.
Basically, we had the two that are in the lead, the dark red pickup that's behind me along with the black car. We're in line of traffic for the stoplight. The red pickup that's over here in front of McDonald's was in the right lane waiting for traffic. The driver of the blue Ford Ranger basically stated that she was going to attempt to turn into the Nugget at the turn lane behind her, but there was a brake failure on her vehicle. We'll have to inspect the vehicle and see what we come up with there to see if there is in fact a mechanical failure. But she decided not to turn, kept trying to engage the brake according to her, and then ended up rear-ending the black car, pushing it forward. And then of course when it kind of veered over, it went into the side of it, went into the red pickup.
And then the other pickup truck over by McDonald's, that sustained any contact?
Yes. You can see the damage at the right rear of the blue Ford Ranger. That is from going into the red pickup when it veered to the rear end of the vehicle, went airborne and came down on it, I guess, basically.
Is there anybody injured?
Claimed at this time, nothing actual.
So they're not going to be transported?
I'm not sure yet.
How many occupants in all cars are involved, do you know?
That I do not know.
Will there be any citations?
We're going to have to do vehicle examinations to determine whether or not it was in fact a mechanical failure, and then we'll take that into consideration. It's possibly there may not be, but then again, if we can't find anything, there could be.
Nobody was transported as a result of this 4-vehicle accident here on southbound Highway 160. However, one lane of traffic was blocked while the investigation was being conducted. This is Deanna O'Donnell on Highway 160 and 372 for News 46.
Well, 240 seniors will be graduating tomorrow night from Pahrump Valley High School and stepping forward to make their print on the world. Whatever they choose to do, whether it be moving on to higher education or stepping into the job of their choice, KPVM TV wants to wish the very best to the Pahrump Valley High School class of 2013. Congratulations to all your graduates in all grades throughout the town of Pahrump. All of us here at News 46 take pride in the students throughout our valley. If you would like to purchase a video of tomorrow night's graduation ceremony, please call us at 727-9400.
And folks, authorities say they've now identified 6 cases of hepatitis A in Nevada as part of a regional outbreak linked to a frozen organic berry mix from a farm in Oregon. Health officials in Reno said Wednesday that 2 of the state's cases involve Washoe County residents. More than 60 cases have been identified in Nevada, California, Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, Utah, and Hawaii. The FDA says the illnesses are linked to Townsend Farms organic antioxidant blend, which contains pomegranate seed mix. A Costco spokesman says the company has removed the product from stores and is contacting its members. Hepatitis A is a contagious liver disease that can last from a few weeks to several months. It is spread when a person ingests contaminated fecal matter, even in tiny amounts.
Well, a total of 13 people have been killed in yesterday's building collapse, which occurred in Philadelphia as a result of a demolition gone wrong. One woman was pulled alive from the debris late last night. The building to be demolished fell onto a Salvation Army thrift store that still had customers inside. Rescue crews have gone through about 75% of the building.
And folks, don't go anywhere because we're going to have much more news coming up right after this break, so please keep it here.
Join us at the Pahrump Nugget Hotel and Casino with the #1 gaming experience and entertainment. The Pahrump Nugget has the #1 dining experience at Stockman Steakhouse, Golden Harvest Cafe, and the Gold Miners Buffet. Come get your game on at the Pahrump Nugget Hotel and Casino.
Today's news is brought to you in part by Dr. George Leeks, Pahrump's optometrist since 1990, offering full-spectrum eye care for children and adults. Call today, 727-8300.
Well, it's been 2 years that Southwest Medical Associates opened their office here in town. They had their annual barbecue right across the street from their clinic on Calvada.
We're celebrating our 2nd anniversary with our SMA Health Center, our Southwest Medical Health Center, which is right across from where we're celebrating today. We're at the duck pond at the Calvada Eye, and we've got a lot of our staff here, our providers, our specialists even, just wanting to interact with the crowd and introduce ourselves to the community that maybe doesn't know us yet. We've got some health events so that they can learn a lot about just basic preventative health measures that we advocate for when we see patients every day in our clinics. And we make it fun. So we've got a game going with them. It's a bingo game that they can learn about all these things and then get a prize at the end.
Preventative health care is really important. Why?
Well, because we know that if we screen for things earlier or take care of things earlier, that we prevent a lot of other chronic health diseases later on down the road.
This is your 2nd anniversary here in Pahrump. How's it going?
It's going great. We've got a great crowd here already. We've got lots of live music. We've got a lot of people here already enjoying themselves.
Tell me some new things that you guys might have or some things coming up for Southwest Medical.
Sure. In the last year, we've added a lot of specialists that have come to our health center. That includes podiatry and the nail trimmer, who's our podiatry hygienist. We've got our rheumatologist, our cardiologist here. We've got gynecologists coming. We also have our endocrinologist who specializes in diabetes. And then we also have our health education and wellness that does a telehealth. That's a teleconferencing or video conferencing with our patients, and that's every Tuesday and Wednesday. So we've got lots of specialists and of course our primary care providers as well here. We still have our radiology service out here as well.
Telemedicine is becoming something that's really become popular.
Yes, it has, and it's a lot easier too.
People can stop by here at your Calvada location to make an appointment, but they can also find you on the web too as well.
That's right. We have a web portal where patients can set up appointments. They can cancel appointments. They can look up their referrals. They can email their provider. Yes. So if you don't want to, talk to the call center at 11 o'clock at night, maybe you're in bed, you think about these things, you want to email your provider, you can do that then.
And Lakeview Executive Golf Course is now offering foot golf. They held a free training session this past weekend for the whole family. KPVM TV took them up on the offer and had lots of fun trying out the new game.
Foot golf has been around forever, but somebody in 2009 they did the first tournament in golf course in Holland. is basically it's a fusion between the two games, golf and soccer, football for Europe people. It's a place. The game is in the golf course. Could be 9 holes or 18 holes, and it's the combination. We use our clubs, our legs. So big ball, number 5. The holes are 21 inches, and that's it. It's just about fun. Have fun.
Why do you like foot golf so much?
Foot golf is the greatest new sport to the United States of America because you can combine soccer and golf. So we've got a lot of fans that come out who are just golfers and they learn to play the game. We have a lot of soccer players who come out and learn to play the game. It's just great for all ages. Kids all the way up to seniors can play this game. You can play in a scramble where you're playing with each other's balls, where someone gets to tee it off and then the next person can kick it further. And it's just really at your own level. You can go at your own pace. You're not rushed.
Are you guys going to start a foot golf team?
In the future, yes, we would like to. Right now, we're going to open it up on Saturdays at noon for anybody that wants to come out. The front 9 will be open for foot golf, and the back 9 will still be open for regular golf play.
All ages, right?
All ages. If you can kick a ball, you can come out and play. We're going to start the rate at $5.
For more information, people can come down here to Lakeview Executive Golf Course?
Yes.
Or a phone number to call?
727-4040.
What did you like most about foot golf?
I like when I made a score. When I made a score in a big hole. Because I made it in a big circle hole because I just wanted to. Because I wanted it to be the winner. I liked it because it's kind of like soccer, and I made it in the goal like 2 times.
I'll see you guys later. Say bye-bye.
Bye! Bye!
Well, the employment rate is hovering near its lowest level in 3 decades. About 58.6% of the civilian population over the age of 16 had a job as of April. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, this rate, officially called the employment population ratio, has been stuck in that range for several years. The last time it was this low was in 1983. Well, 2 life coaches who hosted a radio show called The Pursuit of Happiness apparently committed suicide together in their Brooklyn apartment. Motivational speaker John Liddage, who was 48 years old, and his common law psychiatric therapist wife, Lynn Rosen, who was 46, were found with plastic bags over their heads and a tube attached to a canister of helium. 2 suicide notes were also found. The bodies were found sitting on a couch holding hands. The notes said they couldn't take it anymore and that my wife is in too much pain. Their radio show focused on personal development, growth, and creativity. All right, folks, we'll keep it here because we're going to have more local news for you right after this break.